Hello children, in previous classes we have done like scribbling, cross hatching and hatching. One technique was left for you, that is stripling. Okay, so let's start. We will make a flower. Flower means like stem, trees and all, like they are going. You can able to see the pencil mark, right? See, we drawn the flower. Now in some area we can draw leaves, small leaves, okay, and in some place we will draw big leaves, okay. Detailing we will do later. From here also, like leaves are going, okay. Now from here we can draw a small flower, okay. Big leaf, like small detailing and all you have to give down also, okay. See, like this whole picture we have done. You can draw more leaf down if you want to draw like this. See, okay. So let's start. First I will show you with the pen, white pen, then another I will show you with the glass pencil. Those children are using glass pencil, for them I will show also. So let's start. What you have to do, first you have to erase your drawing lightly, that you can visible. Now see, we erased our picture. Now children, see what you have to do, you have to make dots. See, dots. We have to make outline with the dots. Some dots will be light like this, okay, and this will be very dark, okay. If you will give so much dots in the same place, it will become more dark. So like that you have to give. See, like this. Like this you have to give to the whole picture of the outline. You have to give like this. Okay, this is the stripling. See, I'm started given stripling to the petals of the flower. Like that you have to give it to the whole picture. Don't do inside now, just do it outside outline, then we will make it inside. I will show you how to do inside. Okay, first make it more dark outside with the stripling only. Don't make the lines, make with the stripling only. After see your picture, it will be look very awesome. See, like this you have to give to the whole picture. See, we done it stripling in our drawing. See, in every step dots are there, not a line. See children, dots are there. If you don't want to draw as big, so you can draw small also, but you have to do stripling properly. Okay, if your hands are paining, you can take break and then continue with this work. Okay, now in the between of this you can make same dots but lines. Okay, you can make these lines more dark. Like this you can do in all. Okay, in leaves, see, like this lines you can add it. Big leaves, in small leaves already are there, no need to over doing in that. In this, like small little dots you can do it. Like this. Okay, and in this, like in some leaves you can do like this, here dark and after that light, you can do that. Okay, in this, like in one side dark and another side light. Like this you can do it in the whole picture. See children, how I done it in the leaves. See, in the petals, like that, like this you can do it. Or I have done it dark, so you can do it light also. Some simple design also you can do it, but you have to do with the stripling only. See, each line is like dot dot only. I didn't give a single line, it's all our dot dot. Okay, with dot we have made this picture. Now same I will show with the glass pencil. See, I drawn the picture with the pencil. Now lightly I will erase it. See, I erase the picture. Now with this glass pencil you have to make dots. See, see children, we give an outline with the glass pencil. Now same we will do design inside the flower like we have done with the pen. Okay, like that, same lines, dark. Some small, some big. After that, light we can do it. See, like this. Okay. Do it in all the petals. See children, we done our picture with the glass pencil. This is with the white pen and this is with the glass pencil. Okay, you can draw it small because first time you are going to do this stripling, so your hands are going to pain. To take a break, then do it. Okay, don't do it continuously. Okay children, hope so you like it and try to make small first, then go for the big picture. Okay, like don't draw as much detail in this. Let's draw only flower, then go for the detail. Okay, thank you.